The president used to be a senator. He understands this. That's why he went on national TV. I believe that's why he called. Because he wants to make sure we know in the Senate that he will not allow that. Pasensya na po sa mga kaibigan, mga kakampi sa DDS. I take that po, yung sinabi ng Presidente, I assume good faith. I assume that when I am told as Senate President and what the President speaks, he is speaking truth. Ang problema is he being told the truth. Is Matibag and others under him telling him the truth, or do they have their own agenda for 2028 and they have their own agenda for the Senate presidency? Lastly, I may leave anytime. They can remove me. I can even be gone as senator. I mean, I've reached the pinnacle, I think, of my career. No, from councilor to vice mayor, congressman, speaker of the House, secretary of foreign affairs, and now Senate president. Ano pang hihingin ko sa mundong ito? Ano pang ipagdadasal ko sa Panginoon? Siguro po, dito sa local, kasi mahal ko po ang aming bayan ng Taguig at Pateros, 'di ba? But so far as national, wala na po akong hanapin. Tahimik po buhay ko. Tahimik po buhay ng ate ko. We're minding our own business. But when 12 senators came to me and said, we have to make sure that everything is done by the Constitution. Simple ang sinabi ko, will we have a fair and independent impeachment process? They said yes. Are we all willing to sacrifice? Yes. Are we going to be confrontational at every move? Hindi. Pero bakit po ganito ang inaabot namin? So again po, hindi po kami magulo. Ginugulo po kami. So again, Honorable Ombudsman, please consider, remember po, in an investigation, it's not only the result, it's the process. So there will be no independent investigation while the NBI officials hindi lang po yung director, yung pong head ng transnational crimes, kasi yung po ang tinuturo ng kanilang confidential agent. Hanggang hindi po sila sinususpend, tapos ang sinususpend po ng sa Senate. So mga kababayan, asahan niyo po sa Lunes, ang focus, ang atensyon, bagaman napaka-emotional tong mga nangyayari at bagaman existence na ng integrity na ng Senate to, alang-alang po sa ating mahal na bayan, alang-alang sa konstitusyon, we will focus na makonvene yung court. Kung may gugulo po niyan, hindi po kami. By the way po, pag convene namin as a court, pag-issue po ng summons, hindi pa ho magsa-start ang trial kasi sasagot pa ho ang Honorable Vice President. So wala pong dahilan na magmadali silang magpalit sa Monday, even if they will recycle another narrative to say that this is for the impeachment. I ask our young people now, yes, there are dati kasi pagka nag-issue ng statement lahat ng deans, ako mismo bilang idealistic na law student, kahit tatay ko mismo na idol ko nagsabi bilang batas, naswesway din po ako. Pero tignan nyo po yung katotohanan versus po sa propaganda. Sabi ng mga deans, ang palitan daw ay para makontrol po ang impeachment at para po ma-dismiss. I'm paraphrasing, di ba? Or whatever you call it, whatever word you use it, hindi po. In fact, mas mabilis pa ho kaming kumilos. Kasi pwede pong Thursday na namin check-in lahat ng annexes, etc. kasi nagkagulo sa Senate ng Wednesday night. But hindi po. I think the very professional Senate Secretariat, despite yung buong gulo, tuloy-tuloy po. Tuloy-tuloy po yun. So, again po, you want an independent investigation, go ahead po. Pero delikado po kung ano magiging katotohanan because ang katotohanan po, ang Senado ang ginugulo. We will keep you updated. Again, we have all the facts. Sa mga matitinik na reporters na may mga tanong na pointed, I'm talking about outside the Senate kasi inside the Senate nakapagtanong naman sila. We're ready to answer all of the questions. We just wanted everyone, to not have a national trauma about a news that inaatake ang Senado ng NBI. But now that it's out, that it is the NBI, prove to us that that was a rogue decision. Prove to us po na misfire po yun at hindi po yun ang talagang tangka, di ba? Again, I will give everyone the benefit of the doubt. Pero dun po sa mga nagsasabing drama, etc., ito lang po sasabihin ko sa inyo. I hope your family is never put in that position. Because I was there. I was there and I wanted to go out and I wanted to face them. Diba? And I saw the reaction of everyone and I watching the video, sobrang tapang po. Hats off. I really respect po yung Senate media. Hindi kayo nagtago, hindi kayo umuwi. You run towards danger so that people will know the truth. Kaya yung pakiusap ko, lahat ng naglalabas ng video, nakitang-kita yung katotohanan, kaya nasisira mga gawa-gawang narrative. Continue to do that. So may we ask God for one thing, the truth to come out. The truth to come out. Based on the truth, let's move forward. Let's build our nation. Let's not destroy our nation. Let's build our nation. God bless you all.